Have you ever been thumbing through Amazon looking for a new compost tumbler, realized there's 500 million thousand of them, and thought, man, if only somebody knew anything about these? Well, that's what I'm going to do today because I got mine in the mail. I'm going to pop it up on screen. I will put a link down in the description below. And we're going to find out how hard this is to put together. And then over the rest of the season and maybe next season, we'll give it a full review. So let's go. Yeah. Get it open. Oh, man. Okay. Huge. Came with free gloves. Don't need those. Oh, that's a lot of bolts. And an instruction pamphlet. And all the parts. Alright, let's see here. Driver. A lot of parts. Oh, well, that's fantastic. Assembly instructions. Like first step one, the assembly. Yeah. I was confused as soon as I opened the box. I love it when they send you a good instructions. Alright. So part one, F. Instructions suck. And there's gotta be better than that. That's gotta be just go worse. Yeah, there's tons of parts. Questionable parts list. So 81 and 82. I don't have 82. That must be in a bottom. That would be fantastic. Now that makes me wonder. Oh yeah, this is the beast that we actually need. Now we're getting somewhere. I'm guessing this is the middle divider. Alright, now we're looking at these things. Oh, there's 7 B's, so that doesn't matter. Oh, the doors are open here. F in these corners. Oh, okay. We're cooking with some peanut oil. Okay, wash the peanut oil. Oh, found it. Well, this is not a good stuff, I'm guessing. Alright. Alright, step over here and hold. This ain't working. Alright, let's see. What was F? F's gotta be this way. Oh, it comes. Oh, okay. Oh, no, this is not gonna work. I'm in the garage. Or there's compost. Let me tell you. No, for this one. If I had to buy a new composter every year, I'm gonna be like sad. I seem to be made out of Miss Haley's gonna look at me and be like, I don't know. The next part, that's what I know. What?
One of the poles was trampoline to come off trampoline.
Okay. What's that got to do with me? I don't need trampoline. Okay. This, I think, oh, it does. Look at that. Yeah, I think we're failing. I mean, hold that place. This is 43 gallons. The big compost pile. This one is more compact. Well, now that bolt doesn't even fit these. It probably goes to a little bit of freaking sauna. I don't understand that hole. Not. Alright, these holes were not tapped all the way out. So that's good. Alright. Oh no, I'm gonna crush it with my fat self. Oh, nice. I guess I'll put those other 2 bolts in. From there. Definitely a 2-man operation.
Oh, yeah.
It is, like I was saying earlier. Yeah, kind of wishing I would have got. But is that really fair? Maybe. Yeah. I know for this supposedly being 43 gallons, I guess that's only 20 gallons per side. Well, 21 something. Oh, I'm gonna get that other. There's 4 of them. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. Try to better show what's going on here. That piece sits over the top of that. And pops right on it. So what we got is screw holes all the way around and these little rivets. And you got these divots that go in these holes. So you just, it's supposed to be super easy, but it's super not. He lives his best life. Well, I'm hoping as we tighten things up, like it's all going in place. But thus far, not even middle ground. No, it's like it needs to be in the ground. Not even in the ground, I guess. Or actually, it's the ground. So I think we can, let's just rotate. Yeah. I'll tell you right now, if I buy another one, probably ain't gonna be this one. It looks like I'm gonna have to make some adjustments. I'm gonna give it a chance, put it all together first.
Why couldn't keep my grill on? It's done.
We're going like, alright, so should be 3 panels, I think.
Woo.
Hopefully, we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna put the screws in it, see what happens. It does at least have some air holes in it. I was looking at it today, and something a lot of people have complaints with is the fact that these hold so much moisture and cause it to go in the open. The drain holes will be, look at that. That's so much better already, even though this one just came out. And those little paddles are supposed to turn the compost and mix it. We'll see. Oh, Steve. Are you helping? She's helping. What? You, my child, have been outside. No, ma'am.
It's a Lulu.
What? You're the one trying to step on stuff, right? You ever built a compost bin before? Me neither. Fifi, please do not crush the parts. It's not an honest review. Well, I guess if she doesn't break it, then it's kid proof. Well, I'm hoping it like stuff or something. I could DIY one of these too. It seems pretty straightforward. And with this, parts from this, I felt like it would be hard. I am building a compost bin. What are you doing? No, we ain't doing that right now. Alright, so it says once 4 panels are involved, you can install the divider. This works though, that'll be quite a bit of compost on each side. Child, like now is like not time to write a sideline. Alright, so we essentially finished building the entire thing first. That makes perfect sense. So this one side is definitely not right at all. We'll have to try it on there. I didn't put any screws in it. No, I want everybody to not be in my garage. But that's alright. That's okay. Yeah, it's not bad once you get past the first couple. Getting to this point. And then I don't know how that divider's going to sit down inside there. It seems like it's cut different than the slits. Go see why she's saying she needs help. Like I'm legit dripping sweat. My fault it's 90 degrees. What? In the center? Ain't got that far. We're rushing. You may not know while you're standing there parking on. This is an extensive freaking little project. And the whole divider is off. See, that's a little bit weird. Maybe it can tighten up with stuff back down. Too much better. You know, it said start with the door, but honestly, I think it's been better to start with one of the bottom ones and then work my way back up to the door. I think power tools would have been the better play. Huh? I thought these little notches were to pull it in place, but after closer inspection, I don't think it is. Dang. So I'm gonna try to put one more on, then we'll go through and make sure all the other screws are in. That should hold that in. All right. Answer. Tumbler question. First question. What? How bad is it? It seems like it's great. Violin. So that piece of plastic is a little off, but I'm worried about how much I'm sweating. Big. I think it's gonna be big enough to do what I want to do. Something else. Alright, we're gonna put one more up here. Hopefully that'll hold the divider in place. Figure out the rest of it. She's a real humdinger. Alright. How? I don't know how. So the lid should have been the last one. Show them the thing. Well, that was a lie. What I should have done was, if I did do the lid first, work my way back around. That instead of doing like this. That makes sense. So it's going to pay to have offspring. I don't know how we're going to. But now that it's together completely, it feels a lot more solid. Shut that off. We're going to have it. There is no way around that. So a 43-gallon tumbler is not going to be big. But that's okay, because we got the tumbler part together. This is going to be full. Just what we have now. Okay. That off. Alright, so we did step 3, 4, 5. So we're complete. Stand assembly. BB, I don't know what it was. BB. Had to move outside. I was afraid it wouldn't fit the door. Should have done this in the kitchen. It's not as hot. But I don't think those are BB. These are definitely BB. BB goes into D and CC. Oh, so this sucker is going to be tiny. All right. Oh, it is not tall. All right. Don't legs. That ain't gonna work. Why is that the only one that's wrong? I bet you it isn't. That's right. Something's wrong now. Tarnation. That's backwards too. Look, super the same. Alright, starting over. There's BB, D, no. Yeah, these two, both the DDs should be like this. Both the CCs should be like this. So BB, so these are D. This is BB. So this should be DD. This is CC. Ha ha ha. Alright, big brain. Boom. To attach the caps. So do the caps go in first? Oh, so this just spins on that. That makes more sense. I don't know why I ended up with 3 caps instead of 2. Oh, the J is the cap. That makes perfect sense. Double cap. Then you take the rod and you stick it through, or you don't. Through. Yeah, you do. That's my job. That's what I do. Everything I do is because of you. Nuts on. What? She say me? I can say you're my dad. Huh? Call me daddy. Alright, then there's 2 random nuts that are bigger somewhere in there. Stick the bolt through. Oh no. There's only 2 of them with Loctite on them. I'm gonna need to get some tools. Alright, so other than just my tools are necessary. You wanna run in and get my vice grip? Don't record my face right now. Freaking weirdo. Oh! Your compost bin. Alright, your initial impression of this. You love it? Does it make you super happy that this could have been done with a 50-gallon drum? Oh, I'm so thirsty. So this screwdriver sucks. I don't wish it had. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Back to the grind. Do you know the Oh yeah, that's a lot faster. I think it would have broke those though. And the final spin. It's the final. Alright. That's what that's made the spin does. That actually did tighten up, but there's still a lot of space. We got free gloves. We're gonna use $3. They're silicone. Oh wow. These are made for someone with little. Catching on the bar. I was like, man, that's really cool. That wasn't supposed to be that disgusting, but